Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace the heater in your dishwasher, first turn off the power to the dishwasher and shut off the water supply valve. Slide out the upper dish rack. Note where the dish rack is positioned on the rails, then lift up the rack to remove it. Now slide out the lower dish rack. Next, detach the water supply tube assembly from the mounting brackets on the top and rear of the tub. Now rotate the water supply tube to release it from the pump assembly. Pull the wash arm up to detach. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread all of the screws, securing the pump cover. Lift off the cover. You will now need to fully uninstall the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws, securing the lower access panel, and remove the panel. Use a 5/8" wrench to help unthread the water supply line from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, unthread the screw securing the junction box cover, then pull the cover off. Note the location of the wires, then untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Unthread the strain relief nut and detach the strain relief from the junction box. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and remove the mounting bracket screws. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the legs to lower the appliance. You can lower the rear leveling leg by using a 9/64" hex head screwdriver to rotate the adjustment rod at the front clockwise. Now, very carefully, pull the dishwasher away from the cabinet. Tip the dishwasher back so it rests on its rear panel. Next, remove the mounting screws, securing the main control board cover. Remove the cover. Use a small flathead screwdriver to help pry out the control board housing and move it out of the way. Now remove the screws securing the inner access panel. Release the mounting tabs. Detach the door wire conduit and lift out the panel. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the bottom access panel. Pull the panel forward, disconnect the leak sensor wire connector, and set the panel aside. Use needle nose pliers to help detach the heater wires. Next, remove the screws securing the grounding wire to the heater bracket. Use a 10mm socket or nut driver to help unthread the nuts securing the heater mounting plate and pull the plate free. Return the dishwasher to its upright position. Open the dishwasher door and remove the old heater. Install the new heater by positioning it in the pump housing. Tip the dishwasher back. Align the heater mounting plate and thread the nut to secure the heater. Secure the grounding wire with the screw. Attach the wires to the terminals on the new heater. Reconnect the leak sensor wire connector. Reposition the bottom access panel on the base and snap the retaining tabs into place. Rethread the screws to secure. Realign the inner access panel. Snap the wire conduit into place on the panel. And hook the mounting tabs on the hinge supports. Replace the screws to secure the panel. Realign the main control board housing tabs with the slots in the base and push the assembly into position. Realign the cover and replace the screws to secure. Return the dishwasher to its upright position. Make sure the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall, and that the water and power supply lines are positioned in their respective channels in the dishwasher base. Now gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs if necessary. Replace the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Fully position the wire strain relief in the junction box and secure the strain relief nut. Join the wires together and secure them with the wire nuts. Align the cover and replace the screw to secure. Reconnect the water supply line to the inlet valve. Replace the lower access panel and secure it with the screws. Reposition the pump cover and replace all of the screws. Replace the lower wash arm. Reinsert the bottom of the water supply tube into the pump assembly, then rotate to secure. Snap the tube into the mounting brackets on the rear and top of the tub. Replace the lower dish rack. Correctly reposition the upper rack on the rails and slide it into place. With the repair completed, turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.